Hey guys, Patrick Donovan, SqFt Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here in Richmond Hill and Buckhead East. I'm out here checking out some Mungo Homes. We're gonna be previewing the Victor floor plan right here. It's a 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bath home with 2,884 square feet. We're just gonna look through this one and you can tell me what you think. So here's the front of the home. As you can see, 2-car garage. I love that. Brick facing in the front. You got all kinds of different textures. I love that. Gives your style, your home a little bit of a different look. As you can see, that one right there is all brick. This one's got a little bit different texture going on, but here's the neighborhood. As you can see, love that. This home itself is for sale. Okay, but we're gonna walk through it, and this would be all your Victor homes from Mungo. So, your future you is watching this. This is the kind of homes they sell. But yeah, I like the way you walk in and you got all these rounded archways. Of course, coffer ceilings are amazing. Love the light fixtures they got right there. This is your dining room right here, as you can see. You know, and it leads into that area over there, but let me get a good shot of it. Got your coat closet right there and don't want to miss that. But here you go, check this out. Going up the stairs, as you can see, but we're not gonna hit that first. We're gonna come into this huge living room area. Look at that. Nice size. It's got rounded archways going into the primary bedroom. We're gonna hit that next, but I just wanna get a good shot of the kitchen from back here. Love that, you got a place for your stools right there. So you could probably have 3 or 4 bar stools right there. You got your quartz countertops right there. It's great. I love it's not a double oven, it's a microwave oven, okay, but still on the wall, love that. And then you get your cooktop right there. Love the venting right there, stainless steel. Then you get your dishwasher right there. Love that, plenty of storage, as you can see. Love that. This is where your refrigerator would go. Boom, and then you got the upgraded cabinets, as you can see the trim up top, and then your pantry. All right, now we're gonna leave this area and go to the primary bedroom. All right, nice size bedroom right here. Probably can fit a cow, maybe 2 cows, or a king size bed, whichever you like, whatever you prefer. But trying to give size references, I'm trying to figure out what is equivalent to a king size bed, because this one definitely can fit it, and all the furniture you could possibly want, which is great. And then we're going to this bathroom, tiled in bathroom. Look at that tub and shower, love that. Glassed up showers, you see tiled all the way up, and I love this tub. I mean, that's great. I don't take baths, but I know a lot of people take baths. There's dual vanity right there, as you can see. Tons of cabinet space down there. And then you got your, there you go, closet for your toilet. Your toilet gets their own closet, love that. Here is the walk-in closet. Plenty of space. Right there, as you can see. Yeah, plenty of space, but yeah, I mean, it's bigger than my closet, that's awesome. All right, let's go. I don't wanna miss the garage and stuff over here. So we're gonna hit that first, and also I didn't want to miss, you know, here covered porch. We're gonna get to, this is like a dining nook area, so you want to put like a round table or whatever kind of table you want to put. You could eat breakfast looking out to the woods right there. But, all right. And then I'm gonna hit this half bath real quick. It's a half bathroom. It's got a pedestal and all that good stuff. And then your laundry room's right here, okay? And then, hold on. A folding table right there. So plenty of space in here to keep all your laundry stuff. All right, and then you got the garage right here. Don't want to miss that 2-car garage. You saw it out the front. Water heaters down here. Right there, bang. All right, so now we're gonna go upstairs. Now we are upstairs. You see, this has got a great bonus room we're gonna go into last. Let's just hit them as we go, right? Came up the stairs. There's your stairs. There's that first room. See, nice size. Probably fit a queen better in here. Not quite king size, but you see carpeted down below. Nice size closet right there. And then, I guess we go counterclockwise. Yeah, this one, you can fit a king size bed in. All right, probably have to put it right there. Okay, and then you'll be looking around at the door when you wake up. Yeah, it's up to you, okay? But good size. Okay, and across the way, it's the cool bonus room, but we're not gonna go there yet. Not going there yet. We're coming in here. This one's a big one too. I do like this one. You fit a lot of stuff. And it's got a walk-in, like a true walk-in closet. You know what I'm saying? So whoever gets this one, whatever favorite child gets this one, they're gonna be happy. Plenty of space. All right. And now let's go see the bathroom where everybody up here is gonna be hanging out. Dual vanities, you can see quartz countertop, like the LVP flooring, shower tub combo, great. You got a linen closet right here, right next to the bathroom, where it should be, nice. And then, you know it's crazy, right? You got the bathroom right here. Boom, there's a bathroom right there too. Holy cow, this looks almost identical. Right, like 5 feet from each other. So, I mean, you got 4 bedrooms up here and a bonus room. 2 people go in that one, 2 people go in that one, perfect. They're thinking about you and your family needs. Love that. This is a huge room too. Like, all these rooms except for one can fit a king size bed or, you know, in furniture and stuff, except for the one that's got the queen. We already checked this bathroom out now. That's coming up right there, bang. Now let's go to this bonus room. This bonus room would be great. You got 4 rooms up here. And you just put a TV or something here, game room or something. I mean, you definitely could put a pool table in here if you wanted to. Get some bean bags over there, maybe a movie room. If you could get blackout curtains for this, close that door right there. You got a great movie room right there. Look at all that space on that wall. You could put a screen. Yeah, I can see it right now. It's fantastic. Let's go out to the back. The covered porch right here with a fan, nice. This is the foundation of a screen porch right here. I mean, all you gotta do is put screen in the door. Nice size right here. You can definitely put a grill right there, get your grill on. That's what I like to do on my weekends, is do some smoking. But here's the back of the home and the yard. Boom, but here we go. Let me see. I like the picture of that roof. Look at that. Yeah, that's the Victor plan right there. So that was the Victor floor plan from Mungo Homes in Richmond Hill, Georgia. If you have a question about this home or any Mungo home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. I don't want to forget to tell you that this specific one is now available, and they're trying to do all kinds of great incentives to get you in. This is 283 Split Branch Drive, and this is going for $524,990. So if you're interested in this specific home, give me a call now, man. They got a ton of great incentives going on, like $15,000 your way, all kinds of great incentives for the military, Gulfstream, Hyundai EVD plant workers. Like, they're trying to do it all to sell these homes. So give me a call. I love to talk. All right, talk soon. Bye.